Just out here, April 7th. Covered porch. Best thing we ever built because it's raining. Just wanted you to see. Bobby has my half a truck out there. He took my studded snow tires off yesterday, pulled it out so it can maybe get washed off. We still have some snow here. Actually, this is really early spring. We've had the snowmobile trails open till April 12th before, but there's a bit of snow around. So this rain hopefully will wash it all away. The lake's still frozen. Can hardly wait to take a video when the frogs start singing and the crickets start chirping. How do you like my rock bed that my son made for me? He made it because there's a wall down there. It's a walkout basement, and I was afraid of the kids driving their bikes down the laneway and not being able to stop and then fall off and get hurt. So Grandma fixed that. Got all the stones off the farm and placed them. And then I have a spot to put all the antique farm equipment. There's usually more stuff out here, just haven't got it out yet. But spring, favorite season. Love y'all. Take care.